Oh, right. So you got a problem with bum extermination sites. Well, here we are again. Looks like it kicked me off over that. We got the Solid Sounds 6.6, a New Island style lager. This one we left the can open because the phone keeps fucking up and we're all turning to bum just like Auschwitz. Well, there was a thriving population of homeless people. Now they're all gone. How about that? They mysteriously disappeared. Bulldozers and stuff come in and bulldoze the motherfuckers. And some of the other ones, you know, Mary and Antoinette said, let them eat cake. That's all they feed is cake. Sugar and cake. And it go crazy. Solid Sounds, Yellowhammer Brewing. You know, hopefully this video will record. Yeah, like I said, everything's messed up, you know, man. It's a drag. I mean, if you're a low class person, if you don't have money, you're an experimental class person. You know, they're gonna get you. The bum eviscerator's gonna get you. They're all gonna get you. You know what I'm saying, baby? You know, my MOS is, don't you, baby? I don't quit at all. So you were beat before you even started, son. So, if you want to hang out down here with the bums, you better be prepared to die with the bums. And if you want to try to be somebody that's great, just prepare. You're never going to make it. And they're going to steal your plate. So, yeah. Take it easy.